We've been talking a lot about the maintenance community, and obviously all of us are in it, and it's a platform that we started on Slack, which has really helped propel us to reach over 3,000 different maintenance reliability professionals. And what we saw from this was it almost came at the perfect time, right? Because of extended social distancing and social isolation, what happened was it actually gave a lot of people who were typically not online on programs like Slack an opportunity to come on Slack and connect with one another, share educational resources. Caitlyn, why did you decide to spearhead and make this community in the first place? And obviously, I want to ask the question too, how has your experience been so far?
I think it was a perfect storm in terms of timing where the whole world was going online and digital. And we at around that same time had a nugget of an idea of what if we made a central resource for all the maintenance professionals to have live conversations? So we at UpKeep used Slack and had seen the success. And so we thought it might be something if we made a Slack group free of charge and anyone can join and have as live of conversations as possible. Not try to have any ulterior motives, just have a place where people want to have conversations. People might take off with that and really start helping each other and let it evolve into its own thing. I think people saw the value of an easy place that you can log in and share kind of vulnerable or things that you wouldn't otherwise share on LinkedIn, right? So LinkedIn is a very professional space where you might not put, hey, I'm not meeting my KPIs this quarter. And so what we're seeing in our Slack community is with COVID bringing challenges that no one's ever anticipated, and maintenance still having the legacy challenges that we always have been dealing with. Slack has turned into a protected space where people feel safe sharing some of the struggles they're having, and then in real time are getting 4 to 5 different perspectives from people who have been in the space for 30 years, 1 year, all around the world. And so that moment of people coming together to evolve our idea of, hey, if we make it easy, I think something cool could happen. And evolving that to, yes, you're correct. It's going to be a space where people can start solving problems faster and up-leveling each other, and the industry has been really special.